Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer a Spotify playlist to SoundCloud. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for Tune My Music. Then, open the official website. Once it loads, log in to your account. Next, click on New Transfer to start the process and select Spotify as source. Now, open Spotify, go to your playlist, click the three dots, scroll down to Share, and select Copy Link. Go back to Tune My Music, paste the playlist link, and click on Load from URL to import your playlist. Once your playlist appears, choose whether to transfer the full playlist or select specific songs. After that, click on Choose Destination and select SoundCloud from the list of platforms. You may be asked to log in to your SoundCloud account to connect it. Finally, click on Start Transfer and wait for the process to complete. That's it for this video. Thanks.